Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
And today we're going to break down the all-new RST D3O Pro Series Ventilator Jacket. Okay, the all-new RST D3O Pro Series Ventilator Jacket retails for $269.99 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we never update it for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned.
So, do you want to jump into sizing?
Well, I feel like we just did.
So, I am 5'11", 175 pounds with a 40-inch chest, and I am wearing a medium. I'm going to say it's definitely a decently snug fit, but it's not enough to where it's going to get me a little weary. Maybe with the inner liner it can be a little tight, but granted,
It's got a thick liner.
It's a very thick liner, but I just put the jacket on, so we're just kind of giving it time to bed in.
Yeah, 100%.
Doing the video.
AA CE rated if that's important to you. This one comes with level 2 certified D3O armor and the elbows, forearms, and shoulders. It also comes with a fully quilted sleeve and vest liner that is windproof, waterproof, breathable, and insulated. It's quite thick. Like he noted with the medium, it's a little bit snug when he has the liners in it.
Like usually for me, I've never really worn a jacket. I don't think we've done many videos to where there's been a liner that goes through the whole jacket down to your wrist.
Where it's as thick as this.
And that's where I'm not used to it, but it's just going to take a little bit of time. And it's 90 degrees out, so.
Yeah. But when you size this jacket, you kind of want to be a little cognizant too. You want it to fit best, I would say, personal opinion, when it's just the mesh jacket and you remove the liner. This one's going to do that for him. And then it's going to be it's going to lean a little bit to the snug side when you have the liner in.
Of course.
Kind of where you're at.
But you can get used to it. And usually with the liner, I feel like you're going to want to be a little warmer, and maybe tighter is not a bad thing.
Yeah.
So yeah, just my 2 cents.
All good in the hood, man. So, full mesh chassis with some accents that are done with some like ballistic pieces here in the shoulders. Like that's really robust right there, right? Heavier denier stuff in the crash zone here. Motion panel, reflective in the front. Full mesh panel in the back, reflectives back here, right? Little drop tail there. It's important to note too, the logos on the sleeves in the back, those are all embroidered. These logos here are reflective on the neck, so the logoing is really subtle on this jacket. Volume adjustment.
Yeah.
Done with snaps. Little bungee cord, you get forearm and you get bicep.
Yeah.
Volume adjustment here is with Velcro and textile. Waist is Velcro and textile. And they even went as far as to hide the D-ring. So that just gives it kind of a cleaner look.
That is cool, a little more.
Yeah, 100%.
That's a little more modern maybe right now.
Storage pockets.
Yeah.
There are storage pockets both in the liner portion of the jacket, and then if that's removed, when you have just the mesh liner, there are also storage pockets there. This is a lot of jacket for $269. We say that all the time with RST.
It's great. Doesn't come with a back protector, but it has insert for one.
It has a pocket.
Yeah, you can get a CE level 2 D3O back protector for this thing. Should be size
large,
if I'm not mistaken.
A lot of them are out of stock right now. We have a bunch ordered for stock. They're supposed to be here any minute.
I think it was end of July, so we're right there.
In a pinch, you could take the large Alpine Stars plasma.
Yeah.
It'll go in the pocket.
Nucleon plasma, yeah.
There are also pockets up in the front of this jacket, zippered pockets, I'll show you in the second part of this, that accept a D3O armor that is also on the way and should be here, I think, end of July as well. So if you want to add that on at a minimum, we do recommend to everybody. Add the back insert.
I would add the back insert. That's a no-brainer. Like, it's an extra, $60 at the most, and that's one thing for me that could be, a night and day difference if you get into an incident. Just
100%.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're never going out there.
Nope, that's the damn truth.
Without a back protector. You've never ridden without a back protector. You know, now when he's on the track, he never rides without an airbag and a back protector.
Yep.
We definitely recommend it for everyone. Please add it on. How many people, when you're on the phone with them, how many people that are buying a jacket buy the insert?
Not a lot of people opt for it, and I try to explain and maybe persuade, and some people take the advice, and then maybe some others are like, no, I'm good. And I'm like, all right, man, I got you. But,
Well, the good news is we live in America and you can do whatever you want.
yeah, I guess.
And you know what we get to do today? We get to breathe all this Canadian smoke, dude. Canadians, if you're Canadian and you're watching this, do me a favor. Take better care of your forest so these things don't just burn down every summer. You can hardly go out right now. It's terrible.
Barely go outside.
Now that we're done with the informational warning, if you want a little more detail on this jacket, stay tuned. We're going to take it off, Max, take it apart, give you a closer look from the inside out. All right, here we go. The RST Pro Series D3O ventilator jacket from the inside out. We've got our fully removable Aqua Pro waterproof, breathable, windproof, insulated inner jacket. It's maybe more of an inner jacket than it is just a liner, right? It's got storage built in, slip pocket on the right side, zipper pocket on the left side, mirrors what you have over there in the shell of the jacket. Different style of quilting there. It's almost like something they do to hold the insulation in place. Super nice, super high quality. It zips in, right? At the cuffs, it zips in the body, so it really holds the liner into place nicely. This obviously is great for wet weather. It's great for cooler weather. It's great to break the wind. So this jacket is going to be very close for a lot of people. It's going to depend on where you live, where you're riding. For a lot of people, this jacket could be that one and done jacket. This one really has the potential to do almost everything for you. CE Level 2 D3O armor in the shoulder and elbow and form. The elbow armor is adjustable for height. We'll show you how to do that. A couple little Velcro patches. Just allows you to really dial in the fit in that area if you need to do so. I told Video Clark to remind me there was a certain signal we had, like a secret signal, during the video, so I didn't forget to show you how to adjust the elbow armor. He forgot. But I remembered. So if you need to move the elbow armor around, how it's going to come from the factory, it's going to come in the highest position. There are two patches of Velcro here, okay? When both are closed, the armor sits right here, raises the armor up a little bit in the jacket. If in fact you do feel like you need to lower the position of the armor to better suit you, all you have to do is undo the Velcro, you kind of let it fall down and close up only the lowest portion. The higher portion will then be blocked by the armor, and it's going to help you get the armor in a spot that maybe suits you better. It's nice to have that adjustability built in. It's also nice that when Clark forgets, I remember. Tons of mesh, right? You've got in some of the impact zones here in the shoulder, elbow, and forearm. They're using some heavier denier fabrics. Reflective patches screen printed on the jacket. Volume adjustment is provided here with Velcro and textile, and they kind of hide the D-ring like a nice little styling touch there. Embroidered logo, which is kind of a nice touch to it. It's a little higher end touch. Volume adjustment, 2 spots, forearm and up in the bicep area. Large mesh panel on the inner arm. Volume adjustment at the cuff is managed with textile and Velcro. Damn Canadians, said it in the other video too. Terrible. More reflective screen printing there. Very subtle use of the RST logo on the front of the coat, right? It's just kind of up here on the collar. Super low pro. Zippered hand warmer style storage pockets, both sides. Comes this handy dandy little book. You know, if you have great eyesight and want to occupy yourself for a little bit, feel free to read the little baby novel that's included at no additional charge. Locking main zip with a nice zipper pull on it. comfort line collar, zip to pants attachment system, nice comfortable mesh liner. Remember, this thing's like an air conditioner, right? When you pull that inner liner out, full mesh chassis, protection in all the right areas. Has the ability to accept both a back insert, D3O, size large, or chest armor, right? Zip open the pocket. There's one on the right, one on the left. This stuff's come in and out of stock a little bit this year. The Alpine Stars large insert, the plasma will fit in there too. It looked like a lot of the D3O stuff is out right now. That's always an option. Our team can always talk you through that. Storage pockets here on the inside of the liner. Those are both slip style. It's a good looking coat. It's a great coat. $269.95. That's super affordable for what you're getting here. You know, this is a lot of quality, a lot of different materials. The heavier denier in the impact zones is pretty nice. Really nice, breathable, windproof, waterproof, insulated inner jacket to pull out to extend the seasonality. Like I said, for a lot of riders, this could be your one and only jacket. Wouldn't need to buy anything else. If you have any questions, you have any comments, leave those in the comment section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself. I'm always here to help you choose the right jacket for your next ride.